Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always, every single week, like I say, I've been rummaging around these shelves over here, all these ones around here, looking to see what we've got so I can tell you what's back in stock for your bike this week. So let's take a look. So then we've got part number 068069/BR, the main wiring harness for the Commando 71 to 74 with the braided finish. That one is £149.94 including VAT. Next up is the set of 4 Barnet bonded metal friction plates. That's the clutch plates for the Commando 750, part number 131923. That's £107.23 including VAT. And then part number 131924, a set of 5 Barnet bonded plates for the friction plates for the Commando 850. That's £134.04 including VAT. Next up, the oil tank mounting kit for the Commando 1970 to 1977. That's part number 131774, is £16 including VAT. And last up this week is part number 062487, the front fork assembly complete set for the 1971 and 72 Commando drum brakes, is £1,554 including VAT. And don't forget, as always, you can set yourself an email reminder for your items that aren't in stock at the moment. It's really simple, and there's a link in the section below to a website video which will take you through the whole process and tell you exactly how to set up your email reminders for parts that aren't in stock for your bike at the moment. Always as well, you can give the guys a call on the usual technical hotline phone number, which is at the end of this video. And until then, thanks ever so much for watching, and safe riding.